Do you sometimes miss your short one-day event on Samsung calendar? There's a simple switch that makes them stand out instantly. Let me show you how to enable or disable highlight short events, and you'll see the difference right away thanks to the live preview. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon. Then tap Setting. Tap Change Calendar Style. And then enable or disable highlight short events. As you switch it on or off, you will see the preview at the top, so you can choose which look you like. And that's it. When this option is on, short event get a color band in the mount view, making them easier to notice. Try it out and customize your calendar the way you like. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.